front tire. If you only use the brake on the right side, it will stop that back tire. And so make sure you use both brakes.
Alright, we're testing out bikes. I'm grabbing the Trek Rail again, medium size. I think Crystal's already test riding her smallest bike right here. She has a Cube E-Bike. We are taking the experienced e-bike tour today, not the novice. How's that feel?
Feels okay, but I can't tell where's my button.
Yeah, hers doesn't have a dial, like mine doesn't have a dial either. But, you know, when you're mountain biking enough, it's really by feel. It is nice and warm today. Hawaii. Do not fail, Crystal. There's a pass and fail option here. No, I had to bring my helmet.
Yeah, that's cool, bro.
That's what, yeah.
I was thinking, oh, you're a local brother.
Right? Yeah.
You guys fit it in the check-in bag?
Yeah. What was our lead's name?
Oh, that's Robert.
Oh, and Christian, right?
Christian, yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Thanks.
Yeah.
When did they start this experienced?
We just started about like maybe 3 months ago.
Oh, okay.
We had the route the whole time, but before what we used to do is just to sign up for novice or regular.
Okay.
And if we see our 2.8 and they look good enough, then we take them that side.
Got it.
Now it's like you got to do a test course, and that determines kind of thing.
Oh, so this is the test course.
Yeah, this is the test course.
Got it.
To see everybody's abilities.
Yeah, testing out people's abilities. Here we go. Not too bad. Hurry. Oh, I want to do the jumps. I can't even check where they're at. Oh, you're off course. Fail right here, guys. Fail. Yep, you're used to the throttle. Welcome to e-biking without a throttle. Your pacing is going to fail us there. You got to be close to the group. Remember, pacing is part of the test. Pacing means you have to be within 15 feet. Yeah, they said pace. Why we're like so slow? Uh-oh, let's see if Crystal passed or not.
No, I'm going to cancel, but we're just going to do the test course once again, just with at least you three here. We'll try to keep the pacing a little bit faster, a little bit more sharper with the turns. Please, let's go through the test course once again to make your full turn.
Okay, thank you. See, Crystal, pace is part of the test. You have to be close to the group. Alright, Crystal's being tested, and I got joined in with her because I'm following her. Keep up, that's part of the thing. Well, it's better to get tested now than later. Up your PAS and shift gear when you're in a straightaway. You know, I'm gonna follow him. I don't want to fail. The test is to be around 15 feet of Robert. So we're testing pace, right?
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, no worries.
Alright, coming down this hill here.
Bike tires are a little slippery though. Yep. I don't think Crystal's gonna be able to make it. Yeah, she's a little too slow. Do you think we could still go to the other?
So the other one, that one's pretty booked up as is, so no guarantees in particular.
That's okay. No, I mean, if we can't, no, we're not gonna force.
Yeah, and especially then if anything does happen out there, that's gonna be 100% on me, and it's like not that I.
No, totally. Hey, a test is a test for a reason, so that's fine.
What's your full speed say?
Okay, thank you. Alright, follow Christian.
Yeah, you get close.
Okay.
Well, Crystal failed the test. She couldn't keep up with the pace of the experience tour. So that's a big fail today. And we're heading back to return the bikes. And we're probably going to have to reschedule another tour. What a bummer. That's unfortunate. Another couple also they were failed. I really wanted to try the experienced electric mountain bike ride.
A few moments later.
Here we go. We're back in action. We're doing the Novice E-Bike adventure 2 hours later because Crystal couldn't hang on the expert. We had to reschedule. But here we are. E-Bike adventure in Kualoa Ranch. Again, this is the Novice tour. Last year I've been here already, and it was my tour guide was Koa, and it was raining as hell. Now there's a little bit drizzle here and there, but you know, not too bad. Hopefully it doesn't get too rainy out here. Hopefully not. How's that bike feel? Better? Extra small? Alright, cool. So there's no test on this Novice tour, clearly, because it's for beginners. More of a scenic route. So our Christian tour guide, at least how he describes it. Jurassic Park's coming up. I'll be your rear tour guide for today, since I've been here. You could pretty much just stay on this gear the whole time, because it's not a fast ride. You could just stay on that, unless you feel like you're going real slow. Crystal, how come you know this? Don't you? You're just so used to throttling. You forget how a regular bicycle works. Alright, we're just kind of burning calories here, because we don't have throttle. And these are like torque sensors, so the harder you pedal, the more assist it gives you. It's not like our electric mountain bikes at home, kind of goes with your pedal strength. The harder you push down, the more it'll give you. But if you look to your right, you're gonna see the ocean, and then the bunkers will be on your left side. This is the exact tour that I took before. Getting a little chilly. But here we go. Going downhill a little bit. Oh, I want to take that technical trail. Oh, there's a jump. Crystal tried to jump it. Phew. Jump that. Look at that view, guys. It's amazing. That's cool. This part I haven't been, I don't think. Crystal, follow that jump. Phew. These are like their farmers' gardens coming up. The film set for Jumanji. I think we're waiting a little bit. Follow him, they said. Yeah, detour. Secret passage unlocked. Oh yeah, this is like labyrinth. Oh, it's a little murky. And this is kind of cool. It's just so awesome to explore the forest. Agriculture center here, I guess. So Christian isn't really vocalizing these areas, like, you know, like the types of plants the way Koa did. But I don't mind it. I've been here. But maybe for the others it would have been helpful. We're out in the open. Trying to wheelie. No, I can't. This is awesome. Learning a little bit of history here. In the old days, Hawaiians don't count to 5, they count the spaces in between their hands. So there's only 1, 2, 3, and then 4 here. That's what I at least heard. And that some of these mountains are called something fingers because of that. Because they kind of resemble what a fingers would look like. And that the in-between is like, it holds mana for you. So it's like pu'u mana lia, something like that. I don't remember. Crystal, what was it called again? Pupu mana? What was it? You gotta climb up. Your gears are wrong again. You're just pushing. Keep pushing. The front shifter. Yeah, you're in the wrong gear. If it feels wrong, yep, you're going backwards. Yeah. Oh my gosh, Crystal. Do you need help again? But first you're gonna see Bigfoot's footprint on the right. Keep your eyes peeled on the right. Oh, berm turn. I almost slid out. Can you imagine doing this in the rain? I did this on the rain. But look at the scenery though, it can't be beat. Okay, follow in Godzilla's footprint. Jump it, Crystal, you can do it. Woo, nice. He went the hard route. You jumped Godzilla's footprint. What about that one over there? There's one more on the left. Alright. Making a ride on the Wind Talkers film location. Really muddy. One thing here is you want to wear clothes that you could easily wash, because I remember the Hawaiian mud is not a joke. It likes to permanently sometimes stick on your clothes, so it's just something to keep in mind. That one looks familiar over there. That hut?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
We good?
Yeah, I remember Kona took me to this area right here. There's a little hut. He said it was his house. Yeah. So it sounds like they're even building more experienced trails in that side. So right now they have one experienced EMTB, one beginner novice, which is here. But they're building more trails for short, in summary, which is cool. And looks like there's cows under this little hill. Your butt has mud splashes. It's fine. It's kind of normal. Biking through the cows' lair. Where do cows take their art? Yeah. The museum. Yeah. What do you call a cow without legs? Hamburger. Ground beef.
Ground beef.
He went straight up to the finished product, huh? A hamburger. A little bit of wetness here. Going through Rock Garden. Washing our tires. Phew. Following the ATV guys. What's up, mud butt? Watch the uphill. You. Yes, sir. These bikes only have fenders in the front wheel. but nothing for your butt. Is my back like his? Oh, like really dirty, huh? You jump this. You. I think it's because you stand a lot that your bottom is really splashed in the bottom. The boneyard. We made it. A little bit of sun peeking, but for the most part, 95% cloudy. So I took my parents to the movie tour earlier. They probably did this stop as well on the bus tour. Bye bye boneyard. Finally, Crystal got to see it on an e-bike, and we even did a little bit of a video, which I'll try to share now. Whew. Get it. Get that jump. Pump motion. You. Yeah. Now don't forget to lift the back part. You're doing the front part, but now you gotta do the tiptoe, which is like this. They have over 150 movies and sets filmed here. It's like the Hawaii's Universal Studio. We need to Venmo Christian a tip, because I remember I Venmo'd Koa as well, yeah, since we don't carry cash. Journey to the Lost World, or I mean the mysterious island with the rock. We're losing them. You need to go faster. Jump this. Oh, too late. Alright. We're heading back. Pretty sure this tour is almost over. Whew. Alright, E-Crew. That's going to be in today's e-bike adventure. I know I've shown this last year. It's a little bit different today. This is what it looks like if you're choosing the Novice beginner electric e-bike adventure with Kualoa Ranch. Nothing fancy, but really more scenic actually from what they told me. Definitely worth what the fee is. And I'm excited to say that they're building more electric mountain bike trails with a few secret jumps depending on the group abilities. But that's going to be today's vlog, folks. Finally got to take Crystal here. She's having a blast. We're all having a blast. And it didn't really rain on us, so that's perfect. Because just 20 minutes south was pouring rain earlier, so we were a little worried. And this is the redemption ride because Crystal failed the advanced e-bike ride.
It's okay.
You think you can keep up on the advanced one?
If you fail, you just try again later.
Yeah, except sometimes it's not reschedulable. We're not always going to get lucky like this. So that's something to keep in mind if you are taking the advanced ride. They have a pass or fail test in the beginning. If you can't keep up with their paces, with their instructor and with the group, you would fail. And rescheduling is not guaranteed. We got lucky this time. Things worked out the same day. But it is what it is. Alright, that's a wrap, folks. Again, thank you for tuning in. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on Super73 arielrider or Onyx or any other e-bikes that may pique your interest. This is E-Bike Adventures signing out. See you guys in the next ride.